So here in this video, I'm going to explain you multiplication of fractions. How to multiply two or more fractional numbers. So say, firstly, I'm taking the example for 3 multiplied by 2 upon 5. So here you can see this is a whole number or this is a fractional number. So first of all, we will convert this whole number to a fractional number easily. We can write it like this by putting 1 as a denominator. Okay, then what we will do, we will try to simplify this, but it is not simplified because all these three numbers are prime numbers, so no number can cut by each other. What we will do now, we will write it as a common numerator. This is like this, 1 into 5. Okay, now also we will check whether we can simplify these numbers or not. Here it is not possible. Okay, so what we will do, 3 multiplied by 2, 6, and 1 into 5 is 5. Okay, next example I will take for, say, second example. I'm going to take, say, for 4 upon 3 multiplied by 9 upon 2. So this example I have taken in that both the numbers are in fractional form with numerator and denominator. Fine. So here in this case, again we will be writing them as a common numerator. Means we will write 4 into 9 together, and then we will write 3 into 2 together. Okay. Now we will check that whether any simplification is possible or not. That means here you can see 4 and 2 can cut by each other. So we will cut them. 2 one time and 2 two time will cut. And similarly 3 and 9 can cut. So we will cut 3 one time and 3 three time. So this is very important. Wherever you can simplify the numbers, do it immediately. Now what is all left in the numerator? We have 2 into 3. What is left in the denominator? We have 1 into 1. So we got our answer as 6 upon 1. Having 1 as a denominator, you don't need to write it. You can simply write your answer as 6. I'm going to take one more example. Say for third. Here in this you have 4 multiplied by 3 whole 1 by 3. 4 upon 1. And 3 whole 1 by 3 can be converted in the improper fraction. So we will do that first. 3 into 3, 9, plus 1, 10. So it can be written 10 upon 3. So this is very important, children. Now what we are going to do? We are going to write it as a common numerator. This is 4 into 10 upon 1 into 3. Now we will check whether any simplification is possible. So here you can see 3, 4 and 10 cannot cut by 3. So we will simply write our answer as 40 upon 3. And here this is our answer, or you can convert this answer in the mixed fraction also. In both way you can write your answer. This is also correct answer. And if you convert this in the mixed fraction, so how you convert this? You have to divide this 40 by 3. So I'm going to show you here simply. If you want to divide this, it will give you some like 1 time 3 and 1 left, and 3 3 times 9. What is left? 1. So here our answer will be directly 13 whole 1 by 3. So this is our answer. So here next I will explain this type of fraction, multiplication of fraction, where you have been given 3 different fractions. So there is no difference in this. We will simply writing it as a common numerator by multiplying 51 into 5 into 42 divided by 20 into 14 into 10. Okay, now what we will do? We will simplify it. So for simplification, we can clearly see this 5 one time and 5 two time will cut. Next, what else you can see? You can cut this 2 by this 42. It will cut by 21 times. And this 14 and 21 both can cut by 7, 7 2 times and 7 3 times. Now you check, this 51 cannot cut by 20 or 2, or even this 3 also cannot cut by 20 or 2. So we will stop here and we will again write our numerator as 51 into 1 into 3, and what all we got in the denominator, we have 20 into 2 into 1. So by simplifying this, you got your answer as 153 divided by 40 is your answer. So let's move to the next example where I have taken this of the multiplication of two fractions, where you will see this number of. Okay, so children, of means it is multiplication. Of word represent multiplication. This you have to remember. Now simply solve this. It can be written as 1 upon 2. In place of you will write multiply sign, and 5 can be written as 5 upon 1. Now you will write it as a common numerator and common denominator. It will give you 5 upon 2, and this much only. 5 upon 2 will remain your answer, or you can convert it in mixed fraction. So these are the questions, children, which you have to try by yourself for understanding these questions quickly. I hope this all questions and this topic is clear to you. Watch my next video. In that, I'm going to explain you some word problems based on multiplication of fractions. Thank you. Bye.